our problem is solved. That is the reason why I encourage myself, a lot of women, to come together to network and create platforms in their cities so that forward networks can be made. Second, and a very, very critical thing, is why get into this entire movement of Swadeshi. Let me also tell you that there was a time when there was a need to look at the rural market and the entire corporate network saw the rural market with the eyes or lenses of CSR, corporate social responsibility. So it was mere responsibility for us. It was important that we look at a rural market because that needs to be in my portfolio as well. I need to do something for my village. I need to give back to the society. So I will go back and then start looking for something where I can give back my skill set, my money, and so on and so forth. Most often than not, आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये सुना होगा, मुझे अपने गांव वालों के लिए, मुझे अपने वीवर्स के लिए, मुझे अपने हाथ से काम करने वालों लोगों के लिए, कारखानों के लिए कुछ करना है तो क्या करूं, तो चेक साइन करके दे दूं. This is what is check philanthropy. But please understand that era has gone. It has vanished. Today is the time where markets have captured the urban areas. So market will shift towards the rural areas. Market will look towards newer areas. They will look for newer products. अब मांग स्वदेशी की होगी. इसीलिए आज तक जो मार्केट आपने देखा है, अब से वो मार्केट अलग होने वाला है. And that is the reason why I feel, and I can guarantee you, that each one of you is in the right business at the right time. And this is extremely critical for success, just being present at the right time, at the right place, in the right sector. I'm an entrepreneur, and I can vouch for the fact that timing for any sector is very, very critical. आज जब हम anti-China एक feeling, एक sentiment across the globe देख रहे हैं, आज हमारे देश में it is not about anti-China, it is about स्वदेशी, it's about आत्मनिर्भरता. तो इसीलिए we need to convert this anti whatever which is a negative sentiment to a positive sentiment. But उसके लिए आपके पास products होने जरूरी है, उसके लिए आपके पास network होना जरूरी है, और उसके लिए आपके पास funding होना जरूरी है. So these three things are very, very critical. I would also want to talk about funding requirements. आज ही के दिन पहली बार मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल ने एक पोर्टल की स्थापना की है, और मैं चाहूंगी कि as we, as an association, as a network, you need to, of course, individually you can do it, but as a network also, you should go back and register yourself on this portal. Second is, जैसे आज तक हॉलमार्क मार्क गोल्ड पे होता था, अब से हैंडलूम, ओरिजिनल हैंडलूम का भी मार्क होने लगेगा. So there is going to be a mark for handloom, and that mark has been released today. So that will give authenticity to your products. And this is the thinking of the government sitting on the top, कि किसी भी हालत में हमें अपने products को, अपने services को और हाथ कामगार को काम पहुंचाना है और network को उनसे जोड़ना है. Last but not the least, I have been talking about funding. There are multiple systems, schemes, sarkar ki yojnaएं which are specifically applicable for women entrepreneurs. I'm sure Chaitali ji will be able to suggest a lot of options for all of you in the network. But more importantly, remember a couple of things. As a woman entrepreneur, आज बैंक आपको लोन देने में ज्यादा प्रेफरेंस देता है. Yes, प्राइवेट फंडिंग, वीसी फंडिंग, एंजल फंडिंग, ये आज भी आपके लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, क्योंकि जिस वीसी फंड या जिस फंड मैनेजर से आप बात करने जाते हैं, उस क्षेत्र में केवल 7% महिलाएं हैं. लेकिन बैंकिंग क्षेत्र में आज ये established fact है कि 98% of the loans given to women entrepreneurs are returned back. And that is the reason why from the top, it is driven by the mere fact of business that more loans should be given to women. And इसीलिए जब आप जाएं तो अपना सिबिल लेके जाएं, हक से मांगे, चाहे छोटा हो बिजनेस या बड़ा हो. आप please ensure that you have a credit limit with a bank. You are second, you take some credit. There is in India today, we are only 5% women are taking formal loans from the bank. And unfortunately, only 16% women are saving with the bank. So we need to get financial inclusion. आप सब business में हैं, I'm sure you are saving, you have a bank account, but please get your papers right. Please do not get scared for or by taking loans. So do that. You have Mudra loan which is available. So Mudra loan, यदि आपको कहीं पर भी मुद्रा लोन लेने में कठिनाई होती है, आप चैताली जी से कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. I will work very, very closely with Chaitali ji to ensure that you can get a Mudra loan from the bank. Second, आत्मनिर्भर योजना के तहत बहुत सारे SMEs के loans आज सैंक्शन हुए हैं, जिसमें आपके क्रेडिट लिमिट से लेकर, यदि आप SME सर्टिफिकेट आपके पास है और यदि नहीं है तो आप SME करके रजिस्टर कीजिए. Because most of the handlooms, whether you are trading, you are manufacturing, you are selling or marketing, either of it, you are going to be falling in an SME sector. So please get yourself registered as an SME. Do not get scared with these paperwork, because all in all, you people are entrepreneurs. And it is important to understand that for an entrepreneur, business comes first, structures and systems come second. क्योंकि आप जब तक structured तौर पे business नहीं करेंगी, तब तक आप इस business को scale नहीं कर पाएंगे. और तीसरी चीज जो मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ वो ये है कि आप कुछ भी पढ़ी हो या कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ी हो, it is fine, but वापस जाकर घर बैठे टैली का कोर्स कीजिए ताकि आप टैली के ऊपर अपना एक प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट बना सकें. यू शुड नो योर बिजनेस, कहां से आप खरीदती हैं, कहां से आप बेचती हैं और आप कितने पैसे बनाती हैं. एवरी बिजनेस नीड्स टू बी कॉल्ड अ बिजनेस व्हेन इट मेक्स मनी. सो द फोकस शुड बी टू मेक मनी एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी क्रिटिकल. इसलिए बहुत सारी महिलाएं फाइनेंसेस से डर जाती हैं. आप बिल्कुल भी फाइनेंसेस से नहीं डरिए और अपने आप टैली सीखते हुए प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस स्टेटमेंट बनाइए. अंत में आई थिंक ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट इज कमिंग बैक टू आत्मनिर्भर भारत एंड द फैक्ट दैट हैंडलूम्स इज द फ्यूचर. व्हाई यू फील व्हाई we all feel that handlooms is the future is because today people are going towards natural living. People want something which is very close to the nature. People want that आज इतना ऐश आराम घर बार होते हुए आज पिछले 6 महीनों से हम अपने घर के दरवाजों में बंद हैं. आपस में इतना प्रेम होते हुए फिर भी ये जायज नहीं है कि हम एक दूसरे से मिलते हुए ये एग्जीबिशन कर सकें. So this exhibition has also turned virtual. So this is the time, especially in 2020, people have realized that actually you have to respect nature. You need to get as natural into your living style as you can be. And there can be nothing more natural than handicraft and handloom. Something which is very close to nature, something which is made by hand and which is delivered with all the love and sweat of a few people who are your weavers. So I feel that this time, this 2020 is going to give us, आज बहुत पैसा होते हुए भी शायद कहीं ना कहीं हमें लग रहा है कि हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, घूम नहीं सकते, we can't go for a vacation with our kids and so on and so forth. आज लोगों को सेहत के ऊपर खर्च करने में बिल्कुल भी कतई भी एक पैसा भी कोई सोच नहीं रहा है. इसी तरीके से preventive health is something which is going to do very well, and that is the reason why I feel anything related to handmade soaps, handmade aromas, handmade jewelry is going to do extremely well. And that is why I told you Congratulations once again, because you people have worked hard and are in the right sector today. And it is very, very critical, because this sector is what is going to give India and the world its future. You can lead the change, and that is something that I would request the entire platform to take up as a communication, as an education, and as a mission to ensure that it reaches to each and every Indian that anything natural, anything which is handmade is a piece of love. And especially if it is done by women, they add their intent, their whole mamatva, jise main kehti hu, the motherly intent of love and care, and send it across to you as products. So let's be natural. Let's enjoy the business that we are all in. Let's thank God that we belong to a country where every 30 kilometers we see a new art form. Let's just celebrate the fact that we still have a few people left who love to work through their hands and give dedicated time and sweat to ensure that a wonderful piece of art is not only preserved, but is converted into a commercial piece of product which I can flaunt either in my ear or in my dress or in, as a stole, you know. And that is the beauty of art. If you can't show it, and you will not be able to sell it. And if you do not sell it, it will only die. So thank you so much, Chaitali ji, for having me here. I am going to stop by saying these wonderful lines which I was taught when I was very, very young. When I was a young girl, my father used to tell me, "Tum Rajni ki chand banogi ya din ki martand prakhar." Rajni is Raat, or Chand, you know. Raat ka Chand is very soothing. It's beautiful, you know. Romantic कविताएं लिखी जाती है उसके ऊपर. तो तुम रजनी की चांद बनोगी या दिन की मार्तंड प्रखर. मार्तंड is सूरज. तो दिन की सूरज बनने वाली हो या रात की रजनी चांद बनने वाली हो. एक बात है मुझे पूछनी, फूल बनोगी या पत्थर. नकली क्रीम फुल कंघी से नकली रूप सजाओगी या असली तेज लहू का आनंद पर चमकाओगी. Which means that anything which is artificial does not add to your beauty. You actually have to add that brightness to your soul. Asli tej lahu ka, which means if it gets into your blood. And remember, handloom and handicraft, both are in our blood, especially in Indian blood. So use that, and most importantly, tell people around you and spread the message of this beauty and this love. And I think this platform is perfect to do that. So thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much for doing something like this. And I'm so looking forward to hearing from each one of you. If there is anything that you require from the ministry's end, from Smriti ji's end, and if there is anything that you require at a group level, I'll be more than happy to assist. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, Chaitali ji.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot for coming over here again and supporting from the beginning. The we has started from the beginning. You are there always. Whenever I've requested, you have always come here to help and support us. So definitely we'll be in touch with you for further to take this. I mean, I will tell you later on. Also, we have a lot of things coming up. New things are coming up, which maybe in the next event we will be announcing. So thank you so much, ma'am. And ladies, and I think there are